Hello everyone. This is a video on how to post out inventory in bulk within the Liberty Inventory module. Let's start with, what does the posting of inventory actually mean? When a store posts out inventory within the Inventory module, they are taking inventory out of stock that is no longer available in the store. This can be because the inventory was either donated to a third party, returned to consignor, or possibly went missing. Regardless, we do not want this inventory showing up in stock in your software because you want what you have in the store to match what you have in your database as much as possible. You can create your own posting modes in the Inventory module by going to Setup, Maintain, Item Dispositions. Then, we click the Add button and type in the item disposition we want to use. Finally, click the OK button when you are finished. For this example, we used damaged to indicate when an item has been torn or ripped on the floor. You can also go through and add other posting modes to indicate when something is lost, stolen, or missing. Now we are ready to bulk post old inventory. To do this, we go to Activities, Inventory, and then Post Items. Now, click on the Bulk Post tab. Here, we can select which posting mode we want to use to post out this inventory as unavailable. For this example, we will post the inventory as donated. We can also select this posting mode as the default one for future use by checkmarking the default mode box. Now, we will click Find Items. For the Account From field, type in the starting account number you want to start with. We are going to start with account number 1. For this example, we are wanting to do a bulk post across all accounts, so for the through field, we are going to type in a large series of 9s. Next, we can choose to select a filter code if we want to. There are 2 date fields we can use to determine how far back we want to post items from. The main one is going to be the process date. In this example, I am going to post all my inventory out that is older than 2 years. We can also choose to isolate this bulk posting to a specific price code, category, and/or tag color. There are also 2 other powerful checkmark boxes that we can select to exclude web items and/or to exclude retail items. Important note: if exclude web items is not selected, this process will also take care of associated web listings by reducing their quantity to 0 so that posted inventory with web listings do not remain online. Click the OK button when finished. The software will now search for old inventory to be posted out, and you will be given a chance to review. Once the search is done, you can now look through the list and right-click any inventory and select Remove Item from anything that you do not want to be posted. Click the Post Items button when you are finished, and the software will post this inventory out to 0 quantity. All of the old inventory should now be posted out based on the criteria you used. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like on one of the accounts we posted out inventory on. We are going to go back to the account list and look at account number 1. Now that we are here, we can look at item number 1. Notice that the process date for this inventory was in 2019. This would mean that this inventory should have been picked up by the bulk posting we just did. Now if we look at the bottom, you should see a Show More Detail box that you can checkmark to view the posting details for this item. If we scroll down, we can see that this inventory piece had a lot of quantity and, therefore, had a lot of posted line items to bring the quantity of this item back down to 0. We no longer have to worry about this inventory showing up as available for the tax season. This was a video on how to post out inventory in bulk.